Okay, I'm Stavros Theocharis. I'm working for SquareDev, and I am the tech lead in WorkPackage 5, the demand prediction management tool. Okay, so actually we have developed a tool that can be incorporated in many sectors, like the water sector, the energy sector, the transportation, and the health sector. And we are trying to create smart models in order to be able to predict their critical resources like water consumption or energy consumption, etc., for each one of the critical infrastructures that we have. Okay, so this tool is actually for the employees of the critical infrastructures, and specifically we are going to have some different roles that will use this tool, coming from analysts to more senior positions like managers, in order to be able to handle and make the appropriate decisions for the management of the critical resources. Okay, so let's have an example like for water use case, for the water sector. We can think that we are in a data-driven society right now, so we need the data to provide us insights about what's going to happen next, how we're going to tackle pandemics like COVID-19 that we have in the past, or the climate change, all these different cases. So we need to be sure that the decisions will be correctly. We know what will be the demand due to seasonalities or other factors during the next days, the next months, next years. And this comes to an end that can help in economic factors. For example, we will have more societal stability or something, because as we saw in the past, due to pandemics, many of the critical resources had different ups and downs, different trends that we had been used to, so this is really very helpful. Okay, so as I said before, we will have societal impacts indirectly actually, because there will be also a way for the critical infrastructures to hire employees or to know how much of the personnel is needed to have specific tasks or what are the actual needs. So I think that all this together can help in resilience in general. Okay, so actually the formal pilots will begin this summer. But up until now, we have conducted several discussions and demos with the CIs in order to get their feedback and have a first look of the UIs and how it's going to be integrated and how the things will visualize. Okay, actually we are in a phase where we have some nice working models. We have achieved some very good and promising results from our models. So these steps for the next period will be to integrate all these systems. So this is a hard working actual task where we need to integrate everything and deploy everything in order to be able to test it in the pilots from the end users.